Karma, one of the most feared and misunderstood concept, let us simplify it for you. It is said that your soul comes into life to go ahead and experience many things. Go ahead and go through a journey and make great changes in life. Now, I have got a maze here and the kind of pointers that a soul definitely goes through in life in order to take in learnings. The very first phase here is where you go ahead and experience your personal heaven. Now, this is the time of joyful endeavors. You meet and make new friends, you have a lot of joy, good health, good relationships, and life is very beautiful. Then comes a time when your karmic pattern takes you to your personal hell. Now, here is where you experience a lot of pain, agony, you experience the worst of your life. But this is one of the most defining phases of your life, because either this turns you into more loving person or this turns you into a bitter person. After that, life gives you a chance to balance things out. Now, this balancing act depends on what kind of person you've become. Whether you've broken out of your cycle when you were going through your personal hell, or you still have more to learn. And at the same time, life takes you to a phase where you go ahead and experience your personal power, where you get to share your gifts with others, where you get to nurture others, universe, or whoever you wish to help in your life. Your personal power and your balancing will largely depend on what have you been doing when you were going through your personal hell and your heaven. Now these are only symbolic representations of what could really happen in your life, but you'll experience that there are a lot of cycles that are constantly coming in your life and you're not able to break through to them. Maybe it is a relationship, maybe it is with your workspace, or maybe it is to do with your own self. If you are someone who's looking at breaking these circles once and for all and starting a new journey, get into new circle, and at the same time be better poised at managing your circles well, I have a workshop for you that helps you with a step-by-step approach that not only helps you and makes you aware of your own circles, but gives you enough food for you to go ahead and break your cycles. This is called the Karmic Patterns workshop. If you're looking at logical and spiritual approach to go ahead and simplify your life, this workshop is for you. Hi, this is Siddhi from Yana's Healing Studio, and I invite you to go ahead and experience our Karmic Patterns workshop, where you not only go ahead and learn about your cycles, but learn a way to simplify things in your life, accept things in your life. So if you resonate with this and you want to be benefited with a limited time offer on this workshop, go ahead and read the description below. I invite you to come to our experiential workshop called Karmic Patterns Workshop. Thank you.